Want to renew your Nigerian passport without having to visit the High Commission? The Nigerian Immigration Service has launched a contactless renewal process using the NIS app. As of today, the month of February 2025, this service is available to residents in the UK and Canada, with plans to expand to more regions soon. In this video, I'll guide you through this entire process step by step, covering requirements and everything you need to know to renew your passport seamlessly. I'm also planning to do an FAQ Q&A video, so drop any questions, all your questions, in the comments below. Also, the Nigerian Immigration Service, NIS, has launched a new e-response channels where you can engage with them, ask them questions, and send in your complaints 24/7. On Instagram and on Twitter, X, you can find them at NIS_response. On Facebook, you can find them on NIS Response, and you can send emails to them at nisresponse@immigration.gov.ng. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming valuable content. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Let's get straight into the step-by-step process. Head to the Google Play Store and download the NIS mobile app. It's currently only exclusively available on the Google Play Store, but the Nigerian Immigration Service has said that they're working on making it available on the iOS store too. Once installed, create a profile using a valid email address. Activate your account through the confirmation email to proceed. Open the app and locate the Passport Application Services tab on the home screen. Click on it to begin your application. Number 3, start your application. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. It's important to note that you will need your NIN for this renewal. When prompted, select self-enrollment to proceed. Number 4, make your payment. Pay the required passport renewal fee directly through the app. Important, take note of your application ID and reference number as you need these later. Number 5, once payment is confirmed, go back to the Passport Application Services tab. Click on Contactless Biometric Enrollment to move forward. Number 6, check your eligibility. Enter your application ID and reference number to confirm if you qualify for contactless processing. If eligible, you can proceed. If not eligible, don't worry, follow the next step. Number 7, if the system determines that you're not eligible for the contactless process, you need to book an in-person appointment through the NIS Passport portal, which you can find at passport.immigration.gov.ng. So visit that site. Number 8, complete your biometric enrollment if eligible. If you qualify for the contactless process, follow the app's instructions to complete your biometric enrollment digitally. Double check all submitted details to avoid errors. Number 9, mail your current passport. You must send your current passport to the designated Nigerian High Commission office. Use a self-addressed envelope to ensure your new passport can be sent back to you. Failure to do this will delay or cancel your renewal process. Number 10, wait for delivery. Once everything is submitted, your new passport will be processed and delivered to the address provided in your self-addressed envelope. Note that processing times may vary, so keep your eye on updates from the app or NIS. And that's it, guys. You successfully applied for your Nigerian passport renewal using the contactless method. Let me know if this video was helpful. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl for more updates. And I'll see you all on my next video. Bye!